Ito yung mga must-orders namin sa Kiwami. Hey friends, if you haven't heard about Kiwami, it's like a fancy food court that's all about good Japanese food. Meron dito yung mga favorites nating Yabu and Ippudo. But when you're here, I think you should definitely try Hanasuke and Hachibe. Hindi ka madidisappoint sa kahit anong tendon sets from Hanasuke, like this Ebi Kakiage tendon, the highlight of our meal. It's a bowl of quality Japanese rice topped with ebi, kakiage, eggplant, and onsen tamago. Then generously drizzled with their tendon sauce na galing pang Japan. This for us is what makes this dish talaga. It also comes with miso soup and pickled cucumber. So tatanggalin mo yung mga toppings except the egg which you break and mix into the rice. Ito pa lang ang sarap na, but the tempura were also as good. Yung batter was light and crispy tapos ang ganda ng luto. Ang sarap lang talaga nito. One order each na kami next time. Meron din nitong ebi kakiage meshi set that's also really good. So almost the same thing but separate yung serving ng tempura, and instead of the drizzled tendon